today we are going to do tips for curling with your flat iron that might make it easier for you to get the curls that you really want. If you have fine hair that tends to not hold a curl really well, curling with a flat iron might be your savior, because I do find that curls done with a flat iron for some reason always seem to last the longest for this hair type. The frustrating part about that is curling with a flat iron is definitely the hardest way to curl your hair. It is the hardest technique to learn. Wands, hot rollers, curling irons are definitely a little bit easier to learn how to use than a flat iron, but it is the way that tends to hold curls the longest, so it's worth learning how to do. I do have another video that shows you how to do curls, and I will attach that up here so you can check that out. But today is some tips for how to get the curls you want. More curly, less curly, more ringlety, more wavy, things like that. So first of all, we have speed. The slower you create a curl with your flat iron, the curlier it's going to be. The faster you go, the looser it's going to be. Let me demonstrate. So if we take a piece of hair here, and we're going to go rather slowly down the hair shaft, really taking our time to really create a lot of tension and heat that curl up, you're going to get quite a ringlety curl. If we take another piece and we use the same curl technique, but this time we're going to move through the hair very quickly, you're going to see the different shape it creates. A much longer, softer curl, more of a wave. You can see when you take your time and go slowly, you're going to get that ringlet. And when you move through the hair quickly, you're going to get more of a wave that's more curly towards the ends with just a soft bit of movement through the mids and the top of the hair. Next, we have the direction that you hold your flat iron. That also makes a huge difference. So you will see some girls showing the technique that you can do where you hold the flat iron horizontally, you close it, you wrap the hair around it, and you pull down. And doing a horizontal curl is definitely going to give you more of a ringlet. Again, you're going to get this ringlet, and you're going to get quite a nice little bump at the top of your ringlet. But if you want more of a beachy, wavy look, you want to avoid doing the horizontal technique with your flat iron. You want to hold your flat iron more vertical. So let's do a similar one, but vertical instead of horizontal. And you will see you get a much longer curl than this one, which was a much rounder, ringlety curl. And when you pull these out, this one again, it's going to be more of a bouncy ringlet. This one over here is going to pull out to more of a beach wave. I hope that quick little tutorial helps to illuminate why your curls may turn out the way they do on your hair. It's definitely worth giving it a try and learning how to curl your hair with a flat iron, because if you have hair that is really stubborn and does not curl well, it is going to be probably your favorite method once you get it down. Let me know in the comments if you feel like these two videos that I have don't quite teach you well enough how to do it. If you need me to break it down further or do a more in-depth tutorial, I would love to do that for you. Just let me know in the comments and I can help you out. Thank you so much for watching today, guys. Hit that notification button so you don't miss any of my videos. Like and subscribe because it really helps me out, and I would love for you to be part of my community. Bye, guys.